And good morning, math wizards, you fabulous third graders of virtual room number 502. We're going to start it with our fluency practice. You do not need to be copycats right now. You're just listening and learning. So let me get my timer going. Don't want to run late. All right, so we're going to start with our fluency practice. Remember, we were talking about parentheses, right? So let's just take a look at an equation without a parentheses. 10 minus 5 plus 3. And here we just go straight across from left to right. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So that's our answer. Now, what if we were to take the 10, minus 5, and put it in the parentheses, plus 3? Well, I think we're going to come up with the same thing, don't you? 10 minus 5 is 5, plus 3 equals 8. And there we have it. Let's try another version of this. We're going to do 10 minus 5 plus 3. Same problem, except this time we're going to switch the parentheses over there. So we have to do the parentheses first. Remember what Math Mutt told us in the King parentheses video told us? Do the parentheses first. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 10 minus 8, 9, 10, equals 2. See what a big difference that is? Up here, it was equaling 8, but then we shifted the parentheses around, and now equals 2. So you have to do the parentheses first. Let's take a look at another problem. This is 10 equals 20 minus 7 plus 3. Where could we put the parentheses to make this equation true? If I just went straight across, I'd say 20 minus 7 is 13, plus 3 would be 16. So that doesn't equal 10. So where do I need to put the parentheses? Well, if you're looking at this problem, you say, 7 plus 3 equals 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. So maybe we put them right here. We go 7 plus 3 is 10. 20 minus 10 does indeed equal 10. Isn't that remarkable? Now let's kind of look at it from another way around. I kind of pointed that out. 16 equals 20 minus 7 plus 3. What if we were to put the parentheses around the 20 and the 7? Okay, so 20 minus 7 is 13 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 16. It does indeed equal 16. That is math magic. Ladies and gentlemen, you move that parentheses around, you get different answers. Mr. Leg is going to kind of draw a doodly line here. I'm going to keep moving on down the line. 8 divided by 2 times 4 equals 40. What is going to work here? 8 divided by 2. You know what? Mr. Leg wrote this problem down. Ron. It is 8 plus 2 times 4. That makes much more sense. Okay, we know that 8 plus 2 is 8, 9 is 10 times 4 equals 40. Okay, that was much better. But now let's try it a different way where we go, let's see what happens when we do it this way. We'll go 8 plus 2 times 4, and we're going to go like this. The parentheses around the 2 times 4. Well, 2 times 4 is 8, right? So it'd be 8 plus 8. What is that going to equal? It's going to equal 16. Big difference in the answer, isn't it? We'll move right along. 12 equals 12 divided by 2 times 2. Where should I slap those parentheses? If I put them over here, it'd be 2 times 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, so that's not going to work. So maybe if we went like this, 12 divided by 2 is 6, times the 2 equals 12. Does it not? 6 times 2 does indeed equal 12. Oh, writing on my table. I better watch that up. Let's try another way. We're going to go 3 equals 12 divided by 2 times 2. Whoops, I'm writing on the table again. What in the world can we do here? Well, it's going to equal 3, so can we just do 2 times 2 is 4? And 12 divided by 4 does indeed equal 3. We are out of time. We're going to move on to our application problem. It's kind of a special application problem. You'll see what I mean when we get to that video. Right now, we will cancel this. I'll hit the screencastify. And we will stop right now. I hope.